Ilang beses ko nakita sa Thailand at saka sa Japan tong Japanese restaurant na to. Di ko siya na-try nun, so dito pala natin sa Pilipinas siya masusubukan. You can call me a tendon fan kasi sobrang obsessed ako sa mga tendons. Nasa may ebi tendon bowl sa Japanese restaurant, trust na yun ang orderin ko. Here in Akimitsu Tendon sa kanilang Gateway branch, yung specialty talaga nila is of course tendon. Kaya syempre we have to order the mixed tempura tendon and grabe, theirs was huge. As in fairness, ang dami. Ang na-notice ko agad, wala silang sinerve na plate alongside the tendon bowl. So I asked for it pa kasi dun mo ilalagay yung mga laman ng tendon mo. I also asked for additional tendon sauce and I was excited na makarating na sa onsen egg, but sadly wala siyang runny egg. Rather, I got a hard-boiled egg. They did mention na ganun daw talaga sinaserve yung egg nila. And personally, mas gusto kasi yung runny yolk kasi mas masarap siya with the rice and the tendon sauce. Pero in fairness, maganda yung quality ng rice. And ang lalaki ng mga tempura. And yes, masarap siya as in textbook ebi tempura. Rightfully flaky. Okay din yung batter to ebi ratio. Balance din ng salty, umami, and sweetness yung mismong tendon sauce. Surprisingly, mas